Hey Iris, we have another PC build. You ready?
I'm always ready.
Got a naked side of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on. So cold, get warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter, right through the gray. It's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream. Really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold, get warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter, right through the gray.
Hit you with the text on XO. My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up, but it just go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I'll take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. But you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you.
Hi everyone, we are back again today with another PC build. This time it is an all AMD build in this Akla A4V2 ITX case that I used previously. Part selection was a bit of a challenge. Our client this round, Erin, is a pretty hardcore gamer. Her one requirement is to be able to play at high or ultra settings. Her current monitor is a 1080p, but I wanted to build a machine that would be able to handle 1440p decently as well. I was looking at a 3070 initially, but with current stock levels and market prices, I struggled to source for even an affordable 3060 Ti. But a couple days later, when I was scrolling through a local retailer's online store, I realized that some of the AMD cards were actually in stock and cheaper. My personal preference is actually for Nvidia cards, because they suit my needs better. Outside of gaming and software development, my PC is now also used for content creation and video production, and the rendering times for 4K videos using an Nvidia card is insane. However, for Erin's build, her primary purpose is still gaming, and for gaming on a 1080p or 1440p screen, an RX 6700 XT is blazing fast. So this is what I've put together. An AMD Ryzen 5600X, MSI's B550i ITX motherboard, 16GB of Corsair's LPX RAM, a Radeon RX 6700 XT from PowerColor, Cooler Master's 750W SFX power supply, and ADATA's SX8200 Pro 2TB NVMe SSD. Cooling the CPU is a Noctua NHL12S, and this white Akla A4V2 houses everything. The only portion which I struggled a bit is with the GPU. The RX 6700 XT is 50mm thick and 320mm long, which fits just nice into the Akla A4V2, but getting it in took a bit of effort. I also had to add a bit of foam to keep the GPU from touching the side panels. The height of the card was also a bit of a challenge. I was unable to fit in two slim fans at the top and ended up with only a single slim fan over the CPU area and another below the PSU. The result is a very pretty and very compact PC that performs exceptionally well too. Temperatures during the gaming test were also pretty solid. In Warzone, CPU averaged 76 degrees Celsius while GPU averaged 69 degrees Celsius. The game ran very well with a minimum FPS of 112, maximum of 189, and an average of 132 FPS. Cyberpunk struggled a bit more, running with a minimum FPS of 47, maximum of 62, and an average of 55. Temperatures were similar, with CPU averaging at 76 degrees Celsius and GPU slightly lower at 67 degrees Celsius. This was at ultra settings with ray tracing off. In summary, if you're looking at a 3060 Ti being sold for upwards of 1600 Singapore dollars, or a 3070 for even more bucks, and there are team rate options that are available, in stock, and cheaper, then hands down, go for AMD. Having said that, GPU prices and availability do seem to be slowly improving, so if you're in the market for a PC, do keep a lookout. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.